How to fix gpedit.msc not found error on Windows 11. Check your Windows version. Before trying any of our fixes, check the Windows 11 version installed on your computer. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. Type WinVer in Run and click OK. If the About window says Windows 11 Home, the reason you get gpedit.msc not found error is that this version does not come with the local group policy editor. However, if it says Windows 11 Pro but you get this error, then the likely reason is corrupted files. Before moving to the next step, we would like to recommend Combo Cleaner. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout. Method 1. Run the deployment image in Servicing Management and System File Checker scans. If you get this error on Windows 11 Pro, try to repair corrupted and missing files with the following DISM and SFC commands. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. Type CMD in Run and hold down Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys to open command prompt as an administrator. Type in DISM/online/cleanup image/scan health in the command prompt window and press enter. Type in DISM/online/cleanup image/restore health and press enter. Lastly, type in SFC/scan now and press enter. Close the command prompt and restart your PC. Method 2. Install local group policy editor using a batch file. Right-click a blank space on the desktop, select New, and select Text Document. Open the text document. Copy the content from our article linked in the video description. Go back to the text document, right-click the blank space, and click Paste. Click File in the menu bar and click Save As. Choose to save the file on your desktop. Name the file gpedit.bat. Open the Save As Type menu and select all files. Click Save. Navigate to the desktop or the location where you saved the gpedit.bat file. Right-click gpedit.bat and click Run as an administrator. A command prompt window will open and install the local group policy editor. Hopefully, this video provided you with the information you were looking for. If you're using a Windows computer, we suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner's real-time anti-malware scanner will stop malware from gaining a foothold on your PC. Anti-ransomware protection will protect your most precious files against being encrypted by ransomware. Combo Cleaner's web browsing protection will block scams, malicious websites, and downloads. Also, Combo Cleaner's Duplicate File Finder and Big Files Finder will help you clean up your PC and save gigabytes of valuable disk space. Don't let malware wreak havoc on your computer. Download Combo Cleaner today. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel.